Here's a quick guide on how to check your transaction status after the transaction approval. After login, on the left panel, click on Information, then Transaction Status. Select one of the filters to search for the transactions performed. The recommended filter is Transaction Date, and you will need to input the date range. Then click Search. Each page displays up to 20 most recent transactions within the selected date range. Click Next at the bottom of the page to view earlier transactions. To view the details of each transaction, click on the transaction reference number. For the selected transaction reference number, payment details and the audit trail will be displayed. For bulk transactions such as bulk fast, bulk gyro, or bulk payroll, click on the latest action date to view the transaction status of each item.